Hello, welcome to Not for Exam. I am your host Sujit and we are going to discuss parallel axis theorem. Parallel axis theorem for moment of inertia is for all kind of rigid bodies. This theorem states that moment of inertia of two parallel axes, one of which is passing through center of mass, are related as I is equal to ICM plus MA square, where ICM is the moment of inertia about the axis passing through center of mass and I is the moment of inertia about a parallel axis at a distance a from the center of mass axis. Let the two axes are as shown in the figure and there is a general element of mass dm. If position vector of dm with respect to center of mass c is RCM vector and its projection in a plane perpendicular to the axis is RCM perpendicular vector, let A is the point of projection and with respect to point B on the parallel axis in the same plane, its position vector is R perpendicular. Then by vector addition, if you look at the figure, you will get that R perpendicular plus A vector is equal to RCM perpendicular, or R perpendicular is equal to RCM perpendicular minus A vector. Taking dot product by itself, we get R perpendicular square is equal to RCM perpendicular square plus A square minus 2 RCM perpendicular vector dot A vector. And by multiplying by dm and taking integration, we get integration of R perpendicular square dm is equal to integration of RCM perpendicular square dm plus integration of A square dm minus integration of RCM perpendicular dm dot A vector, since A vector is constant. Now integration of R perpendicular square dm is equal to moment of inertia about the parallel axis, and first term in the right side will be equal to moment of inertia about center of mass axis and second term will be equal to MA square. This last term will be 0 due to property of center of mass. This is the parallel axis theorem, and let's apply this theorem to find moment of inertia about some particular axis. Let's find moment of inertia of a uniform disk of mass m and radius r about a tangent. Since diameter is parallel to tangent and passing through center of mass, also we already know that moment of inertia about diameter is 1 by 4 mr square. Therefore, about tangent, moment of inertia is 1 by 4 mr square plus mr square. That will be equal to 5 by 4 mr square. Let's find moment of inertia of a uniform rod of mass m and length L about an axis perpendicular to the length of the rod and passing through any end of the rod. The distance from the center of mass axis is L by 2 and moment of inertia about center of mass axis is ml square by 12. Then moment of inertia about this axis will be ml square by 12 plus ml square by 4, that will be equal to ml square by 3. Let's find moment of inertia of a uniform triangular lamina of mass m and height h about an axis parallel to base and passing through the centroid. If you look at the figure and apply parallel axis theorem, then you get I will be equal to ICM plus m h by 3 whole square. Since I is equal to mh square by 6, then you will get ICM is mh square by 18. Thanks for watching Not for Exam, and we will see you next time.